Hello, I hope you are doing great. As I promised you, I have prepared another video about the best airdrops for you. I have previously mentioned that the airdrops I have selected have the highest number of users and the most support, and you can easily and freely obtain their tokens. These tokens will be listed in the future, so they are very valuable. If you look back, you will see that many of the cryptocurrencies that are valuable today were not significant at that time, and users did not pay attention to them. Therefore, I suggest you do not repeat their mistake and take some time for these airdrops. Let's introduce airdrops that have a high probability of being listed. MemeFi is a tap-to-earn game on Telegram where players must click on a frog named Peppa the Frog to earn $memify tokens until it dies. These tokens are built on the Solana network. The MemeFi airdrop is completely free, and there is no need to pay to participate. This is a great opportunity for low-budget investors or beginners. The official listing date for the MemeFi airdrop has been announced as October 9, 2024. These tokens will be listed on several centralized exchanges. I must tell you that this airdrop is very well planned, with a detailed roadmap and exciting new updates prepared for its users. Airdrops that provide wallet connectivity and create a secure environment for users are definitely reliable, and in my opinion, MemeFi is one of them. Rocky Rabbit is a Telegram-based game where players manage a virtual rabbit to earn tokens through upgrades and various activities. This game combines interactive gameplay with mining mechanisms, providing an engaging and exciting experience for players. Initially, some users perceived this airdrop as a copy of Hamster Combat, but it later demonstrated its creativity and independence in its operations. So far, there has been significant support for this airdrop. The rewards offered by this airdrop have attracted more users. Rocky Rabbit appears legitimate due to its blue tick on Telegram and could be an excellent choice for participating in an airdrop. X Empire is a tap-to-earn game where players must build and upgrade a virtual empire inspired by Elon Musk. This game combines strategic gameplay with cryptocurrency mining. The tentative date for the listing of the X Empire token is set for late September to early October 2024. This date is provisional, and a precise date has not yet been established. The listing depends not only on the project itself but also on the approvals from exchanges and their technical complexities, indicating that this airdrop is well planned. With over 20 million active users, X Empire is one of the most popular projects on Telegram. The X Empire team has put in significant effort to keep users entertained while engaging with the airdrop. One of its notable features, common among most reputable airdrops, is that the game collects tokens for users even when they are offline. YesCoin is a social game that operates on the TON, the Open Network, blockchain. YesCoin is a project that allows users to collect YesCoin digital tokens by engaging in various activities. This project is designed to create a gateway to the mobile Web 3.0, making it accessible to everyone. TON blockchain. YesCoin operates on the TON network, which is one of the most advanced blockchain networks with over 900 million users. The tentative date for the listing of the YesCoin token was announced for late June 2024, but it has been delayed. However, this does not mean that the airdrop has lost value, as they had previously stated that this date was provisional and that a precise date has not yet been determined. In the YesCoin game, users collect gold coins by swiping their fingers on the screen. This process is competitive, preventing users from using autoclick applications. Many users have questioned its credibility due to the long wait without a listing, suggesting that it lacks a precise plan. However, the team has shown through their updates that they have a roadmap and have repeatedly assured users in this regard. Baby Doge Paws is an airdrop that many people have likely heard about due to its impressive launch. The blue tick on Telegram and the extensive support it receives indicate its credibility. Users can easily obtain its tokens by upgrading their cards and clicking on the screen to collect tokens whenever they have free time. PixelTap is a game created by the Pixelverse platform. It is the only airdrop that has shown itself to be stronger than all others, providing valuable rewards to its users along with regular updates. Although its bot initially faced issues with loading due to frequent usage, this problem has since been resolved. the exact listing date for the PixFi token has not yet been announced. The developers have stated that this token will be launched on the TON blockchain, but a specific date has not been provided. PixelTap is part of the Pixelverse ecosystem, which includes missions, battles, and the construction and upgrading of robots. The game features daily rewards and referral programs that encourage users to remain active and invite their friends. If you are an active airdrop user, you will need a digital wallet, and I will soon provide a tutorial on how to create one and how to deposit and withdraw from it. Thank you for watching the video until the end. I hope you enjoyed it. To support me, please subscribe to the channel. I hope one day all of you become wealthy through this path.